Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are back with another cool looking car, and this is a Tomica Premium F40, and the number is 31, and absolutely stunning car. I wanted to get my hands on this car from very long time. I got this around 1500 from a hobby store. I remember around 2 years back when I was in the store, the same store. I wanted to get my hands on the car, but I bought something else instead of this. But later I thought why I didn't bought this, right? The regrets and all. So finally today I've got this one, and we will see it by unboxing it. You can see the sticker over here, Ferrari official licensed product with scale of 1/62, right? So yeah, let's unbox it and see how it is from inside. Now just want to be very careful on this part. Okay, it comes with this manual. I never saw any Tomica Premium that I have bought yet having this thing with it. It's actually something written on this. I'm not sure what it is. Some QR code I'm able to see, and some Japanese over there, takaratomifans.com, and this is written something sample over there. Not sure which piece I have got. This is totally packed only, guys. In front of you guys only I have removed the plastic of it. I'm not sure what this written is, but let's keep it aside. We will check later what is it this actually, right? And here it comes. Phenomenal beauty. Oh my god, my hands are shivering, guys. Look at this. So beautiful, magnificent red color, and look at the grille and all. Look at the shine of this car. Beautiful red color, the Ferrari logo on the front, acrylics. And let's see the back by opening it. Here it comes. Oh my god, see the detailing over there, guys. See the detailing, the engine detailing over there, the exhaust, the Ferrari written over there. It's totally awesome. I like the interior also. See the texture and all, and the lights over there, right? Just close it. It is something magnetic over there, but it's very clicky. See, it stays on two centers, this and then here. Interior is awesome. You can see the red sits over there. From side also it looks the Ferrari logo. The tire, does it have suspension? No, it doesn't. 1/62 scale, 2018 F40, made in Vietnam, and it comes under Ferrari license. Beautiful tires, beautiful car, guys. Just love it. You can see from this acrylic also from here, and the interior. Oh my god, Ferrari written on the back. This is one of my best cars I have from Takara Tommy for this. One of the best. I think Ferrari and Tomica, right? They goes very well, and the cars they have created right within this partnership is awesome. Not sure whether you are able to see clearly the beauty in it, man. It is having some weight, right? The base is plastic, but all body is metal. Let's see how it rolls. It rolls pretty well, but we are not rolling it, right? This is a collectible model, and just see the details, guys. Just appreciate the details and all. That's what I want you to see, guys. The glass is also here is very good, right? The interior, the steering, it's a left-hand drive. You can see some spacing over there near the steering. Some things on the dashboard. In the front also it looks awesome. The sides, and the back. Let me put it like this so you can see it very clearly how it looks. Let me just open the engine bay and you can see how it looks. That's all for the car, guys. I'll just appreciate it off camera, and this is for today, guys. We will meet in the next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.